In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a WordPress page in Elementor. By the end, you'll be able to quickly recreate any page layout you like without rebuilding everything from scratch. First, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the section labeled Pages. Hover your mouse over Pages and from the options that appear, click on All Pages. This will show you a list of every page on your site. Now, find the specific page you want to duplicate. When you hover your mouse over that page title, you'll see several options appear underneath it. Click on Edit. This will open the page in the standard WordPress editor. At the top of this editor, on the top bar, look to the upper left corner for the button that says Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click that. WordPress will now switch you into the Elementor editor for that page. Inside Elementor, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the main button that usually says either Update or Publish, depending on whether the page is live yet. Right next to that button, there's a small downward pointing arrow. Click on that arrow to open a small menu, and from the options, choose Save as Template. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name your template. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple templates. You will also see an option to choose whether you want to save it as a cloud template or a site template. Pick the option that best fits how you work, then click Save. Elementor will now store this layout as a reusable template. Next, we'll use that template to create a new duplicated page. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and open the Pages section again. This time, click on Add New at the top. Wait for the WordPress editor to load, and once it's ready, click Edit with Elementor on the top bar. After a moment, the Elementor editor will open for this brand new page. You'll see an empty area in the middle of the screen with the text Drag Widget here. Just above that area, there are a few icons. Click on the folder icon. This opens the Elementor library in a pop-up. Give it a second to fully load. At the top of this pop-up, click on the Templates tab. You'll see a list of all your saved templates. Find the one you created earlier, then click Insert on the right side of its row. Elementor will now load that template into your new page. Once it finishes, you'll see a complete duplicate of the original page layout, including all its sections and widgets, ready for you to edit or publish as needed. When you're happy with everything, go back to the top right corner and click Publish. Your duplicated page is now live using the exact design you saved.